Vidya Prakashan Mandir Private Limited.
Hello students, let us learn General Science for class 1 from book Science Square. Today we are going to study chapter 2, our basic needs for health. Okay, what we are going to learn in this chapter? We are now going to learn about the needs for our health, that is food, water, clothes, house and air. Okay, shall we go to the chapter? We have to live and grow healthier. Yes, for that we need certain things. We need 5 main things to live and grow healthier. What are these? We need fresh air, clean water, nutritious food, clothes for different seasons, airy house. That is, we need 5 main things to live and grow healthier. These are fresh air, clean water, nutritious food, clothes for different seasons, and airy house. Okay, let us learn about fresh air. We need fresh air to breathe. What is the meaning of fresh air? That means the air should be free from dust and smoke. We say air should not be polluted. The air should be very free from dust and smoke. Clean water. We need clean water to drink. That means the water should be free from germs. So, how will you free it from germs? We need to filter and boil the water before drinking. So, we need clean water which is free from germs. We can free it from germs by filtering and boiling the water. That means we should drink the water which has been filtered and boiled. Nutritious food, that is healthy food. We need nutritious food to eat and be strong and healthy. Nutritious food help us to grow strong. Nutritious food will give us energy to do work and play. Is it not? If you eat nutritious food, you can grow strong and you can work and play. Seasonal clothes. Clothes helps to cover and protect our body. Our clothes should be clean. We need different clothes for different seasons. Yes, we have 4 seasons: spring, summer, winter and autumn. Repeating again, what are the four seasons? Spring, summer, winter, and autumn. So, what are the different clothes you are going to wear? Skirt, shorts, t-shirts, shoes, shirt, socks, sweaters, jacket, trousers, boots, sandals. So, you should know what clothes to be worn during specific season. During a particular season, we have to wear particular cloth. That is why we call it as a seasonal cloths. Airy house. We need an airy house to live in. A house protects us from heat, cold, rain, and enemies. So, the house protects us from what? Heat, cold, rain, and enemies. Let us have a chapter recap. Shall we repeat it again? We need fresh air to breathe. We need pure water to drink. We need nutritious food to eat. We need seasonal clothes to wear. We need an airy house to live in. All these we need for good health. So, this chapter is over.
Vidya Prakashan Mandir Private Limited.